Hello and welcome to this video about California Audio Labs CL-15 HDCD Player. This is one of the best sounding players I have ever heard, and a friend of mine had it in his very high-end system. The only reason I never got it is that it only has, as you see, single-ended outputs, and I'm into electro companions which have dual differential topology, and it does make a difference if you have a proper balanced output player. By proper balanced output I mean the ones with hot and cold legs rather than just being inverted on a transformer or op-amp. That there is not a SPDIF output, it is SPDIF input, which they called auxiliary in, and if you hit that button you get my other CD player playing. Interestingly, the CL-15 still carries on as if nothing happened, so if you hit the button again it switches to the CD drive, and this is very useful when you want to compare your player to external DAC or another CD player. Just get the same CD or make a copy and then switch them to see what are the differences. It starts with the mains filter. A lot of top-end players have those, you know, like ready-made filters rather than, you know, creating them discretely on the board. Couple of transformers. This here, I must say, I have no idea what it is. Some kind of either signal processing or some fancy servo. I think it's signal processing because it's on a couple of picks, and that there is a LAN expansion port. LAN means normally local area network, so I don't know what they were hoping to do with this player and how to connect it. There is also RS-232 port, but that's probably for updating firmware on those PIC chips. Power supply, as you see, you've got 3 rows of 2200 micro, so it's like almost like 30,000 micro just in there, which is a lot for, you know, for CD players. 4 regulators there. Rectifiers on discrete diodes, and then the mechanism. Mechanism is a Matsushita, which is a Japanese name for what we know in the West as either National or Panasonic. Very reliable transport, never seen them fail. There's a receiver chip, and from Cirrus Logic, HDCD from Pacific Microsonic, PMD100. Couple of my favorite DACs, Burr-Brown, PCM-1702, and then more big capacitors. Really well made unit, which sounds fabulous if you don't mind that it is only a single-ended unit. If you don't have a balanced amp, that is perfectly fine unit. If you can get it in good condition, you can buy one even for me. When I clean it up and I sort out a drawer, it appears that the limit switch that is responsible for the tray going out is a bit dirty, and it makes some noise when it is withdrawn. Let me show you. Now that you know what to expect, it will be, I think, audible. You see it labors there for 3 or 4 seconds, but I think when I clean that limit switch, that should be alright. Other than that, no fault with it. Reads absolutely anything, CDRs and whatnot, and this with faults, you know, like interruption data layer, black dots painted on it. No problem at all. Well, that's all, folks, and till the next one.